In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the status of your order on eBay. If you've recently bought something on eBay and want to see where it is in the process, this is a quick and easy way to check. You'll be able to find out whether your item has been paid for, shipped, or already delivered, and if tracking is available, you can also view the latest transit updates. To begin, go to the eBay home screen and look toward the top right corner. There, click on My eBay. This area gives you access to the main sections of your account, including your buying activity and recent orders. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in first so your purchase details are visible. Once you click My eBay, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Purchase History. This section is where eBay keeps a record of the items you've bought, so it's the best place to review the current status of any recent order. After the page loads, you'll see a list of your purchases. Next, locate the specific item you want to track. If you've made several purchases, take a moment to scan the list carefully so you open the correct order. The item listing will usually include the product name, seller details, and the current order information, making it easier to identify the one you need. Once you've found the item, read the status label displayed next to it. This label gives you a quick summary of where the order stands. For example, if it says paid, that means your payment has gone through, but the seller may not have shipped the item yet. If it says shipped, that means the package is on the way. If it says delivered, the order has been marked as successfully delivered to the destination. If a tracking number is provided, click the tracking number string to open the shipment details. This will show you live transit milestones, which can include when the package was accepted by the carrier, when it moved through sorting facilities, and when it is out for delivery. These updates are especially helpful if you want a more detailed view than the basic status label, and that's how to check your order status on eBay. Just open My eBay, go to Purchase History, find your item, review the status, and click the tracking number if available for live updates. It's a simple process that helps you stay informed every step of the way.